Welcome to the 12th day of Vim Tips of the Day. Today, we're going to talk about moving by words forward and backward. So first of all, if you notice, there's this app that shows you the keys I type and the mouse strokes I type. So if I speak a little too fast, you can just pay attention to this to see what I type. First of all, we want to show you how to move through a sentence by words. So using W, we'll move to the next word at the beginning of the next word. Then you can use B to move backwards, also to the beginning of the previous word. There's also the E command, which moves to the next end of a word, and GE to move backwards, also to the end of the word. Then you can also use the capitalized version of these, so capital W to the next word, but only when they're separated by spaces. So my next capital W will jump over 3 words to the beginning of the next word by space. And if I do capital B, it does the same thing. It skips over the 3 words. Here's B. So it's kind of cool. A lot of commands. If you have to edit a lot of text really quickly, these commands with practice will help you move around Vim super quickly. I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you're ever looking for a paid tutor to help you with anything computer science, Python, Java, C, please check out my profile on Wyzant and my YouTube profile.